Good morning and welcome to another week in my business. It's Monday and ow, just bunked money. As you probably know, if you're a returning viewer, Mondays are my CEO days. So I usually don't have any meetings, work on hiring, work on big projects, follow up with leads, things like that. So I just spent the whole morning clearing out my inbox. For some reason, I got like 10,000 emails over the weekend. So that took some time, but I actually do have one call today, two calls actually. This call, I talked to you about it last week that I had like a casting thing going on again. I figured I could bend the rules for this. And then I'm actually gonna go live on YouTube tonight. So I'll take you along with me for that. All right, well, that was fun. I think it went well. Besides a really terrible Zoom connection, I couldn't tell if it was on my end or their end, but that video was like laggy. I think it was on theirs though, because I've never had that issue in here. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And like I said, I'm gonna do a live stream tonight. I'm not gonna dwell on about it because I'm gonna explain it in the live stream. So if you wanna watch the video, just click up here. I'll link it up here, but I'm basically gonna do like a live social media update video. I'm gonna prepare my notes so I can talk about them on air. I also have still some more emails that I need to take care of for folks. It's kind of gonna be my day. Email city, let's get it. We bought a new table and chair set for outside yesterday at IKEA. We used to have one, never repurchased one just because if we wanted to go outside, we'd just go to like a cafe patio or something like that. But obviously now things are different. So we're gonna be spending a lot more time this spring and summer on our balcony again. And I'm really excited about it. It's cold out today, but yesterday it was like 50, almost 60, I think. I just sat out there for a couple seconds to get some fresh air and it was nice, even in my coat and hat. So this week there's supposed to be some really warm days. So I'll probably just bring my laptop out and work for a couple hours out there. So really excited about that. You got to do everything you can to stay sane and, to get fresh air and sunlight and all that good stuff. So it's about 2 o'clock now. So I got like 3 hours till my live. So I'm going to put together some notes, print those out on paper. It's snowing now. It came in at the perfect time. It's literally snowing now. I'm like, it's not that bad out. It's pretty nice out. It's literally snowing. What the heck? Pure Michigan. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. I'm psyching my brain out to think that things are normal and happy. No, I'm fine, I'm not unhappy, but today has just been like a chaotic day. It's noon, oh God, it's 12:20 already. This day started out very chaotically, like nothing was wrong, but my loud neighbors over there were like, they were like doing stuff late at night last night, not 3 a.m., but pretty late. And then they were like up bright and early at 6 a.m. with their juicer and stuff. But anyway, I just have a lot going on. So I just got to get some work done. That's pretty much that. I was planning on filming, so I have like my filming setup ready, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just gonna get my computer work done today so that I can film over the next couple days. I really like to have a free day just to film, just because I'm in a better headspace when I do that. So just got off a call with one of my coaching clients, so that was lovely. She's always great. And yeah, now I'm gonna, I think, go out in the living room. I like to at least be in the sunshine and get a content calendar done for a client that I'm gonna stop working with soon. So this is kind of the last content calendar. So I want to do a good job with that, get some scripting done for another project, and most importantly, I gotta have a second cup of coffee because it's time. My camera's crooked, so I hope it's not too disorienting, but I just reached a wall. Like I have stuff I need to get done and I just like can't do it. Like my brain is not allowing me to. So I was looking through my accounting software for something and I'm like, wow, that number is higher than I thought for like one revenue stream. I'm like, let's do the math, because I pull my numbers every week, but this is bad. I don't have like a formal spreadsheet to know my numbers every month, which I just created now. So I did something productive and I'm realizing I literally doubled my revenue over last month. yeah, I'm gonna be tired. It's been a crazy, successful, the shortest month of the year has been my biggest month of the year of my business. I'm gonna go ahead and hazard a guess and say biggest month of my business, shortest month of the year. And I'm very grateful for that. I don't wanna like say that like a burden, but yeah, of course you're gonna be tired. Of course you're gonna be burnt out. Giving that reminder to you guys. I've talked to a lot of my clients lately, just seeing a lot of stuff on social media. A lot of people are burnt out right now, and it's like, yeah, we're living through this like panini. A lot of us are super busy. So keep track of your numbers, because monitoring that stuff will help you, you know, it'll help you understand why you're feeling this way. And then you can plan accordingly. Okay, I doubled my revenue. That means that I can like get a massage or something, because I probably need it. Are massage places even open? But you know what I mean. You can get that self-care time in and outsource some stuff. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna get my work done. I also did some wedding planning. I was like, I don't know, I just can't work right now. Like my brain is not allowing me to do it. I think I'm rebelling against myself. So I was like, whatever, I'll send some wedding emails. I think we have a wedding meeting tonight too. Norris booked it, thank God for him, because like I'm failing at all areas like household, wedding. I shared in my office tour video that it's important to always have a blazer in your office if you can, if you have a closet like I do, and it sure came in handy today. I mean, look at this top, like look at profesh, right? Does this not look like, oh, I work at a creative agency and like, you know, I'm cool, but also like I care about my career? Versus I'm a stressed out freelancer who wears sweatpants all day and, you know, sometimes rewears this sweatshirt a couple days before it gets washed. You know, am I right? Am I right? Whew. I just had a really nice call with a strategy client or prospect. I think we're gonna move forward with the strategy. I know I just said I'm like really busy and stuff, which I am, but I'm really excited. This is the kind of work that lights me up and that I can do at midnight. This is really key because it's strategy, meaning it's just a lot of reporting and concepts and idea generation versus, oh, I have to wait until a certain time of day to film something, or I have to be on a lot of meetings. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. And got like a little bit of good wedding news while I was on that call. You got to take all the good that you can get. I was like, can we have a cocktail hour for our elopement ceremony? And they were like, yes. So, you know, that's good news. All right, I think I'm gonna go sit outside again to send this proposal out to this person so we can officially get the ball rolling and finally do the work that I was supposed to do at 6 a.m. this morning, and it's 3 p.m. and I'm just now getting to. Yay! Another thing that just happened while I was on that call is my business credit card credit line got increased. And I just feel like I've been having a bit of a tough day. It's been a good day, just weird and like a little stressful. And I just feel like all these signs are just telling me like abundance, like growing pains, you know, like these are the things that you literally prayed for, is to be busy. And while you shouldn't be like guilted into accepting busyness as the norm, I think it's a slippery slope. Like you should also be grateful. These are literally things that I wanted so badly. I wanted to be booked out. I wanted to make a full-time income coaching, doing YouTube, doing all these things, and it's just now all happening all at once. So now I have like 5 different full-time jobs, which again it's a good thing, it's a blessing, but you just got to strategize now. I still am trying to hire. I've been kind of on a hiring freeze just because I'm waiting for some information from my accountant before I make some of those decisions. I figured that would be like the smart thing to do. So it's kind of on a freeze. So I'm just kind of working with contractors right now where I can, but growing pains, they're real. And you're usually not prepared for them. Definitely not, but it's a good thing. Try to look at it as a good thing if you can, while still taking care of yourself, because you have to. No choices, no option with that. You have to. Happy Wednesday. I just went and grabbed the package. Just ordered this book. It's called the Non-Designer's Design Book. I'm actually reading a couple of design books right now. Well, one other one, which I showed you guys in the last vlog, which is really good. And no, I'm not a designer, but that's exactly why I'm reading about design, because think it's important to like have an elementary level knowledge of, you know, some basic concepts. So yeah, this looks pretty good. It talks about the 4 principles of design, color, type, stuff like that. So I just like to stay educated. And yeah, I had 2 coaching calls this morning. I've been sitting outside all day. That's why I have my coat on still too. It's beautiful outside. It's supposed to be like a high of 52, which I know is cold to some people, but like, okay, let me clarify that I'm sitting up high. I'm not on the bottom floor. I'm like a terrace apartment. So I'm like close to the sun, you know, and it's very hot and I keep my coat on. And it's just given me so much energy. So loving that. So I'm gonna try to wrap up a quick content calendar project and then I'll break for lunch. But let's do it. Wow, what a perfect day. I have been outside sitting on the balcony since 11:30-ish. It's a little after 3 now. I honestly am probably gonna get a tan. I tan super fast, at least on my face. I have a sweater on. I got a whole content calendar done, so real productive. Chatted with some of you guys, posted about the accelerator some more, and I started to get a little craving for some coffee, but I've already had my 1.5 cups. I say 1.5 because I usually let like half of my cups of coffee go cold and don't end up drinking them. So instead I'm going to make a smoothie. I feel like the sugar, the vitamin C might help me with the same desired effect. So I'm gonna have that and watch a little bit of YouTube just to kind of let my brain, you know, decompress a little bit because I've been deep in work. Smoothie time. All right, drank my smoothie, watched a video, leveled up on the H2O. The smoothie was real good, and I think I'm gonna go out there and get in about another hour of vitamin D. My call's in an hour and a half, so I'm going to bring my laptop out there, prep for the call. It's another hot seat call, so I need to look at the submissions. It's Instagram accounts, Instagram bios, so I'm gonna go over those, make some notes, and you know, so that way I have something to go off of on the call. So I'm not kind of live auditing. That's really hard to do. I try to take notes ahead of time. So I'm gonna do that on the balcony. It's so nice out. I'm so happy. It's just amazing how the weather can change your mood. And you know what? I love winter. Like, I love winter. I live in Michigan, for those of you guys who don't know. It's freaking cold here. And still just having the sun, even if it's cold, the sun just like, powers me up, you know? I love it. I love it. Hey everyone. So I don't think I vlogged a single clip yesterday. I really had like a very wonderful day yesterday, but it was just pretty uneventful. I honestly sat right here for most of the day and just worked on like computer work. I had a script I needed to finalize. I got set up to shoot, which I was gonna do today, but I think I'm actually gonna do tomorrow on the weekend. And you know, just like some stuff like that. And then we did a bunch of wedding planning stuff. Then we grabbed a coffee, and I think that's the only clip that I got yesterday. So it was a good day, a very, very productive day. And today is kind of similar. I just got off one quick call with one of my content clients. So I do videos for their company, and it was just, she's really nice. It was fun catching up with her and just like planning the content calendar for the rest of this month. Eating lunch right now. I got my hair done this morning, actually. I got it straight, which I haven't gotten straight in a really long time. Eating lunch, and then I'm gonna have one coaching client call, and that's it for the day. So again, more admin stuff. I am very, very close to selling out of the course, which is so exciting. Like, I honestly could not believe it because 100 was like my stretch goal. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna do that, and I did. So thank you to everybody who purchased. I am so looking forward to making this like the best course ever, and I'm just so excited about it. But that means I need to do some stuff. I need to take down the landing page and replace it with something. Once I'm done with my coaching call, I'm gonna work on flipping that over because I'm definitely gonna sell out this weekend. The original reason I said 100 people is because of Zoom, because I only have a 100-person Zoom limit, but the likelihood of everybody attending every live call is pretty slim. But mostly even more than that, because I can upgrade my Zoom, no big deal. It's grading the assignments. I don't want to be stretched too thin, so I don't want to, you know, take away that time with people. So I need to get like a new landing page built to collect emails to get interest for the next cohort. So if you are watching and you missed it and you were thinking about it, I'm definitely going to run it again, assuming all goes well during, you know, after the actual live class. But people seem to really be enjoying the idea of it. So let me know in the comments if you are somebody who wanted to catch it or, you know, would like to do it. Would you rather see this offered as summer school or as fall school? I'm leaning towards fall just because, especially with COVID and everything, I feel like people are going to be outside and doing fun things over the summer, but I don't know, I could be wrong. So either way, I will leave that landing page down in the description box if you want to get on the email list and be notified when we do go ahead and launch. Probably in September is what I'm leaning towards, but we'll see. All right, well, my lunch is done, so I'm gonna eat that, watch a quick YouTube video, and get ready for my client call.